Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta on the lift. I just want to show you the lift points if you would need it with a jack stand or a jack, or if you have a lift. So I've already got it set up. This vehicle has no steel frame that goes front to back because it's only front-wheel drive. So they have what they call a subframe. I have my lift point set up on the pinch rail. That's where the manufacturer meets the body and the side trim. These rails are made strong enough to be able to use with a jack. If you look in your manual for your actual car jack that it comes with, it'll show you the actual lift points. Usually it's right here on the front where the rail meets double side, and the rear in the same place, right where I have my jack points. If you were to use a jack on the ground, you would be careful not to use the control arm because of the angle it slides at. You don't want the vehicle to slide off, but you could use a jack on here on the subframe, on the cradle. In the front and in the back, I would probably use it on the mid crossbar right over here. Right in the center on each angle. If you can put a jack in the center, put jack stands right here. Don't put jack stands under the spring seat because of the angle they're at.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.